This video is going to be a tutorial on how to use the insert features in PowerPoint for your iPad. So the first thing we're going to do is go to the Insert tab, and you can see that we can insert a new slide from this tab. We can change the layout of our slide. From this tab, we can add comments, which I'm not going to worry about for right now, because I'd rather talk about the multimedia features. So the first one I want to talk about is adding photos. So if we go here to photos, we can add photos that are on your camera roll. So I'm going to select some photos to put into my presentation. I'm going to go back and select one from my trip because you're going to do a travel blog as part of your assignment. You're going to create a brochure for a travel company. So I'm going to go back to my trip to Paris, and I'm going to select my Eiffel Tower picture to insert. Give it a minute because it does have to download it depending on how you've saved things from into the cloud. So we can insert our picture, and there it is. Okay, once we do that, once we insert our picture, we can add different styles to it. All right, so we can put borders on it. Maybe I want to give it a soft edge, or I want to give it a shadow. You can see that it will do that. We can delete our picture here too if I accidentally put in two, so we'll delete one. So we can put borders on it here. Let me show you some different things that we can do. Some borders, you can play with those. There's different effects that we can have. Okay, and they might show up better on different backgrounds, so you need to play with how you want to format your picture. Okay, so whatever you want to do with it there, you can put shadows. You can have a shadow or not have a shadow. You can have a reflection. Now you see a reflection of it. You can group things. You can send them forward or back depending on what you want to do. Bringing something forward makes it show up first. If you want to layer things and have them animate in and out, you can bring things forward or back from this menu as well. You can rotate your picture. I don't know why I'd want to rotate it, but I could also flip it, so it could be the other way around. That's there. And if you wanted to crop your picture because you didn't like the way that it was sized, you can crop it. Maybe you want to take out a little bit of the sky and then hit outside of it, it'll crop it for you. And basically that's all the things that you can do with photos. The other thing that we can do is video. I want to put that in here too. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put in a header. And the reason I'm going to do this is because I want to show you two different ways to put in video. Okay, so the first one is going to be that I can go straight from my camera roll and put in video by going Insert and then select the film reel. And that's going to bring up all the things on my camera roll. Again, let me go back to my Paris trip, and here's a picture of the Eiffel Tower, a video of the Eiffel Tower. Okay, so I want to use this. Again, give it a minute. It is, going pretty fast for inserting, an online content. And then if I want to do this, I can play my movie by launching the slideshow, and it'll play my movie for me.
New York.
Oh, really? So cool.
Not New York City. Not
Oh,
New York
okay.
City. Maybe a couple.
You want to turn the volume off, you can do that too, so we don't have people talking in the background. And now you can see every hour, on the hour after dark, the Eiffel Tower sparkles. Okay, so that's the first way to do it. I'm just going to end show here. And then I want to show you the other way that you can insert video. Let's just resize this so that it's not in the way. The other way that I can insert video is from online content. So I'm going to have to go to insert, I'm going to highlight this, and I'm going to insert a hyperlink here. Okay, and it doesn't have to be in the title header. It can be anywhere in the body, and I'll show you that in another video. So I'm going to insert a hyperlink here. So I'm going to go up to link. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out of PowerPoint and grab a hyperlink from YouTube. So I'm going to go to share, copy the link, and then I'm going to come back in and I'm going to insert it here. Okay, and now if I go into my PowerPoint and play it, I've got a hyperlink to YouTube. I have a video of a travel to Paris. So that is how we use the insert feature in PowerPoint.